Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone on the Thursday trading. This is the last week of August, still 2 days to go. And seems like the market bulls are not retreating at all. We will see soon why and what happened around NVDA. But first of all, I hope you had a beautiful green day yesterday. I had 3 winners, 1 loser, so nothing to complain about. However, the market was quite of interesting and slow again. This is what I'm expecting in the next days. However, today we had the most impacted day by the news, especially by NVDA earnings after the market closed. GDP numbers are out, jobless claims, and so on. So let's see what's happening now. Good morning, Brian. Nice to see you. DVG, welcome back. I hope you are feeling better. Good morning, Clifton. Yes, and thank you for posting. There is still an opportunity to grab the challenges programs traders. That means if you are going to buy one challenge, one you are going to get for free. So 2 challenges on the price of one. So please use it and try it out. It's a really, really good opportunity to win some funded accounts with us, with the TEFS. You can just see it on the www.tefs.com. Thank you for posting again, Clifton. Hi, Mark, Steve C. Good morning. Andy, nice to see you. YouTube traders, I hope the sound is okay. Please just let me know. All right, so seems like, guys, the market, as you can see, is just making a new all-time high already in the pre-market. Reason for that, well, I would say rather the GDP numbers, because the NVDA earnings got quite of a mixed reaction. Well, according to some of the analysts, they call the reaction overreaction, because after the earnings it was released, which actually it was amazing numbers. It just beat the top and bottom estimates. However, there was a little glitch in the data center revenue. It was just falling slightly short of forecast, and this was sending the shares lower after hours. But still, the segment just jumped 56% year over year and made up nearly 90% of sales. And this is despite of the export curbs on the chips to China, which definitely weighed on the results. So all in all, I must tell you as well that the analysts are right. What kind of analysts I'm going to talk about here? For example, Gene Munster of Deepwater Asset Management said that he misreflected export rules, not warning waning demand, and predicted the stock could rebound as investors focus on solid guidance. So Chris Rowland as well, he was thinking similarly, that described that the quarter was just fine. So no one understood why the NVDA was just diving a lot indeed, but for now it's just making a nice comeback. You know what? Just not just to talk about it, but let's see it on the chart as well, together with the pre-market. You can see that after market it was a huge push down back to this $172 level, and now it's almost filled this gap and might ready to fly. So seems like that this is going to be a great opportunity today of the NVDA traders. TVG, thank you. Scott, thank you very much. Good morning to you. Hi, Mark. Lee, nice to see you. Good morning. Good morning. So guys, NVDA actually is going to be on my long list because of this opinion, not just because of the opinion of the analyst, but I think as well that the overall earnings, it was quite good. And what else? It's strengthening the bulls sentiment at the moment, traders. It is the GDP numbers, because the GDP numbers turned out better than expected, and this seems like that the economy is growing. 3.1% was the expectations. The previous data, it was 3%, and the updated number is 3.3%, so it's quite a stronger one. And even the unemployment claims just fell slightly, which is quite of good news for the market indeed. We're still expecting 10 o'clock pending home sales and 6 p.m. FOMC member Waller speaks as well. However, there are still some concerns around the Fed independence, because it seems like Trump, he very much stick to this fact that he really wants to fire Lisa Cook, the member of the FOMC, as you know. Let's see what's going to happen, because We don't know yet, indeed, what's going to be the end of this era there, or this story, indeed, that this is the end of the era of the Fed independence. And I hope you enjoyed until it lasts. If this is going to happen, actually, then this is going to be definitely a quite of a strong message for the Fed, indeed. Okay, guys, now let's see the movers. Hi, Anne. Nice to see you. Good morning. So before the movers, I'm just checking, of course, the stock exchanges all over the world. Europe, it's quiet, mixed, the FTSE down, D8X, like the DAX is higher, CAC higher, so but not a huge strong move. Asia mixed as well, Nikkei up, Hang Seng down. Crypto is rebounding, 113,000 at the moment on the Bitcoin, and all of the Bitcoin related stocks are moving higher, like CoinHood, MSTR, ETC. So these we can watch definitely. On the future side, as I mentioned, you from red to green, thanks to the GDP numbers especially. All right, let's see what else on the international news. I have not seen too much. NVDA shares turned positive in pre-market trading as investors buying the dip following the earnings report. This is just the breaking news on the CNBC. So as I've told you, that's why, and I'm just starting my list, traders. NVDA is going to be on my long list. DVG just put it on his list as well, as I see. So NVDA is going to be here for sure. What else in there? Well, Tesla sales are plunging 40%. It's just plunged 40% in Europe as the Chinese EV rival BYD is just triples. So that's why it seems like that Tesla might going to be in trouble today. If I'm just checking though, at the moment it is still in a slightly green, but just slightly green, 0.17%, and back to this 350 area. If the 350 is going to act as a stronger support, I think that might it can do a rebound, but be careful because Tesla got not that favorable news today. European markets decline, energy firm drags down 10% on probe into past statements. What else in here? Berkshire raises stake in Japan's Mitsubishi, about 10%. Now that's interesting. Qantas shares surge to record high as profit jumps. Microsoft fires 2 employees over breaking into its president's office. Ouch, that's not good. Asia Pacific markets, as I've told you, it's mixed as Bank of Korea investors are absorbing the Bank of Korea policy decision as well. And let's just move to the big movers. This is what we are interested in. What kind of candidates we will get today. As I've told you yesterday after market close, I think it was quite of a important day still in this earnings season, and I would say this is the last day of the earnings season, like I mean in importance, because we got not just Nvidia after market close, but Win Results, Dollar General, Snowflake, CrowdStrike, so a lot still on the list. So NVDA, as I've told you, is going to go to the long list. Win Resources here as well, gained 2% following an upgrade. So this is not an earnings, but an upgrade. Win, we just can watch it to the long side, definitely. Here is Dollar General, 6% as the discount retailer reported a second quarter earnings and a revenue beat. Nicely done. DG can go to our long list. But before I do that, like that, I'm just going to check the daily chart. And on the daily chart, I really like what I do see actually. Volume is not bad either. And what I especially like that it just jumped over this consolidation high over 120. Now it's pulled back, but it still seems like a really strong one. Hi, Vidik. Nice to see you. Good morning. If you have any candidates, of course, please just let me know. Hi, Vincent. Good morning to you. Okay, so here we are with the DG to the long side, and here comes even 5 below, jumped 4% after posting a second quarter earnings and a revenue beat. Okay, I can't speak. So now the 5 below at the moment, it is on a rise, 3.74% higher Pre-market volume quite of okay, and I like the daily as well. Also, this 150 area may be going to be a bit problematic, but as I see, look at the volume, or not the volume, the daily chart, there is no significant resistance till 160. So let's go 5 below and not below, but higher, please. And this is going to be a great long candidate for today. Snowflake on the run to 14% as the data cloud and artificial intelligence company posted second quarter adjusted earnings 35 cents and the estimate it was 27, and even the revenue is higher. Well done, Snowflake. And Snowflake, let's see how does it look like in pre-market plus on the daily. Nice reversal formation up 232. Wow, it's not even close, it's higher. Oh my goodness, wow guys, that's strong. It's a yearly high, not a all-time high yet, but a yearly high as I just see that. Nice. It pulled back though after that, but seems like as a possible continuation. Yearly high level can be quite strong, but you know, Snowflake, it's a big mover, so might we are going to see that moving higher. Hi, Ryan. Nice to see you. Good morning. Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, and BBY on your list. I have not seen BBY. Best Buy maybe going up on Dollar General. Sympathy, I don't know, but I must tell you that looks marvelous, especially on the daily chart for a continuation pattern. So I'm just going to put it on my secondary list myself as well. Looks fantastic. NetApp is here too, but this is going to be on my shortlist NTAP. This is lower on the earnings. Let me just check quickly the pre-market on the NTAP and the daily chart. Volume is not that strong, but I must tell you for today, we do not have too many short candidates, so I'm not going to be picky on that one. And we can go to the short list. Oh, BBY earnings released as well. Thank you, Vidik. I just somehow missed that. Let me just check it. Yeah, I cannot see it here. Bath and Body Works, it's here. BBWI as well, DKS, but I cannot see BBY. It's okay. Thank you for the warning. And positive earnings, yeah, I guess, because it just went higher. Hi, Nitsa, CRWV. Yes, definitely CRWV. It's one of a new stock again. And this is just pushing higher. I completely agree with you. I like it to the long side, and this is definitely a huge mover, so we should watch it for sure. What else in here? Antonio, good morning. Nice to see you here. Okay, guys, so CRWD, it's the next one, which is just slipping 3% after its miss on the market, on the earnings. And CRWD, I must tell you, this can be an interesting one, especially if we break under pre-market lows, and 400 can be a problem there though, because round number, it's sitting on the 200 EMA, sitting or slightly under the 200 EMA, I would say. Interesting short candidate on the CRWD, but CRWD can be so tricky, guys, and it's spready and so on, so be careful with it. URBN is the next, which is down 1.94% URBN. And though in the pre-market, it tried to make a small pullback, volume is still very low, so URBN is just going to go on my secondary list. Nuantix is here too. Cloud computing declined 7%, despite of posting quite of a good earnings. So even if it's moving lower, I'm going to be careful with that stock because this got quite of a mixed news. So we don't know how the traders are going to react on that after the market open. What else in here? DKS 2% lower. However, the retailer beat the expectations for both the revenue and everything, and even they hide its full year outlook. Why it's moving down? You see, this is the misery of the earnings season sometimes. And look at that pre-market move already on DKS. You know what? I'm going to watch it definitely because DKS can be a big mover too, especially on the news day. But now it has not convinced me to put it on my first candidates list. A majority of the stocks here. BBWI, as I've told you, Bath and Body Works is down as well on the news. And this means like this can go to our short list and the volume is quite good too. Only one little concern with BBWI, it is the volume. So I'm going to be careful here just because it's having a lower volume. All right, traders, I think that's it for me. Andy, thank you. Rigetti on your, yeah, Amir was watching Rigetti yesterday. Rigetti, know how to pronounce it. But this stock definitely, together with OKLO, they were to watch it. And to the short side, Baba, yeah, Chinese stocks, but you know my relationship to the Chinese stocks. It's a love and hate. If you like it, definitely watch it. Hi, Zuki. Yes, DRW or CRWV, it's already on my list. Thank you for warning. CRWV, it's one of my long candidates. And I'm just going to look at my watch list quickly. Baba is definitely very weak. And on the strongest, as I mentioned, you Hood is making a quite of a strong move higher. So this can be an interesting reversal, though I'm going to be careful because this still looks a bit stretched. SoundHound, Coin, AFRM, UPST, MU are the strongest still on my list. So we can watch them on the secondary list. And I am ready with my list to post it. I'm just going to wish you a beautiful green day, VIP room traders. You're going to be in great hands of DVG and Scott. And of course, as always, I'm going to stay with the YouTube traders with Amir for an extra hour or so. I wish you a great day. And don't forget that there will be one more economic news at 10 o'clock. It's just pending home sales, but might is going to move the market. I don't think so, though. It was enough news pre-market and after market yesterday. So let's just make a green day and see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Okay, sorry traders, I am back. Hope you just can hear me right. I'm just going to get in Amir soon because as you know, it's Thursday. So Thursday means that we are going to trade together. Let's see if he is in. Yes, he is in. Just a second. Hi Amir, I'm just going to connect you to the room. 1 second. Just a second. Okay. Hi, can you hear me? Good. Yeah, I'm not in a submarine. I'm still in an empty room. That's why I can't hear that. No, not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, I
Okay.
think you are in.
Okay. Hi
Let me
guys, do
just,
you hear me?
yeah.
Guys, sound check.
Okay, let me just check the reactions here. Yes,
Yeah.
John just hears you.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
everyone hears you. Hi, Tara. Very loud again. Okay, I need to lower the volume
Hey
again.
John. Hey Tara. Morning.
Okay,
I will start to ask you a question. Agi, can you put Nvidia pre-market? I see that you have the charts. Can you put it 5 minutes pre-market?
sure.
Nvidia? Yeah. I already this is kind of a quiz for you. I don't think it's difficult. Already did a trade, planned, got in, got all out. And my question for you again, you have charts. Where did I get in? Where did I get out? In Nvidia pre-market.
Where did you
Okay.
enter in long and where did you get out?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So like with
Um,
price levels.
exactly price levels. Yeah. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if you're gonna add the close, I'm gonna give you a hint. The close and add it to the chart of the pre-market, definitely you can get the levels. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One other in and 181. And do you think I'm so simple, Anne? Really? So simple, Anne? Really?
Oh my
Uh,
goodness, Amir.
no, 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 not so
Come
simple.
on, man, are not that difficult.
Okay, so Tara, part of your Tara, now we are going to just round numbers. I see what you're doing. Okay, one of your levels is correct, the other one is not. Guys, I'm give you a hint. What was the close of Nvidia? Okay, guys, wake up. I see that there's people.
They are thinking. Okay, okay, they are thinking.
There's nothing much to think, really.
Now let's see.
Really, it's
Today is
very
the
straightforward.
27th.
Very
The
straightforward. Look at the chart of Nvidia, and yeah,
okay.
there, there is
Yes, Jeremy, 180,
exactly,
160.
exactly. Jeremy spoken. Jeremy, I told you, Jeremy spoken class today. Exactly. You could see the 179. There was approximately like 40 cents stop, and I saw a few cents before the close of yesterday. Almost $1.60, 1 to 4, everything. That was the trade. That was the plan. Exactly.
So you get out with a whole share size, I mean a whole position,
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
get in and get
Exactly.
out with a whole position.
It's not immediately,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, it was. It didn't take so much, but yeah, you could see the
Okay.
179. I'm not trading usually on the pre-market, but because of Nvidia, that was my hint. I knew
Yeah.
when I
Yeah.
opened, people start buying it. It's cheap. So the 179 was
Oh,
very simple. There was around 40 cents, huge liquidity. The only thing I thought is first, get there and boom, 1 to 4. That's a good. That's a good. That was my plan.
nice.
This is my candidate for today. Um,
Oh,
I have,
HMS.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
Nvidia. Him's not a lot of volume, but I know that how that stock working, and I want to do the QQQ. I think today with Nvidia, so I'm going to trade the TQQQ, but I have some levels. Second day we have strong. Like yesterday, I was trading KSS and Okta had earning and SATS. The definitely we need to follow them. And there is a huge small cap that I already start, nip in and out. CWD, huge liquidity, huge levels, really good
Ah, I
opportunity.
don't have it.
So
Hmm.
good candidates. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, market seems like it's just pushing back higher thanks to GDP numbers and NVDA, I guess, because it was not that bad earnings as it looked like after market close at least. And now it's just making a full comeback on the NVDA.
What is your candidate, Aggie? Your
My
best candidate?
candidates, my best one, I think it's going to
Only the
be,
best, Aggie. Show me the best. Not I don't
no.
compromise.
Okay, let me just check it. I just started to check my watch
Okay.
list first of all, because I
Okay.
have some, but what I like the best, and I think I forgot to post here the candidates. Just a second, I'm just going to make it here. Okay. Actually, what I like the best, it's Snowflake. One of
Ah, head
it's
earning.
quite
Yeah.
of a quite of a big mover, which I do prefer, especially if it's pulling back to this $220 area, and that's why it's actually on my first list. And I'm going to watch here CRWV as well. These big
Yeah.
movers, which
I
I like.
agree. CRWV. The only problem I have with snowflakes, I put it for third list, is the spreads there. Like for the opening of the
Yes,
day,
yeah,
it's very difficult.
I
CRWV is
know.
perfect. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, looks great.
I like the daily. I like everything. Like a big mover.
DE. Why the earning?
DG. DG.
Ah,
Yes.
DG,
DG.
the Dollar General.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Yep. Yep. Yep.
I think also five had five.
Five
Also
below
from the
too.
same sector. Yeah, and I think DKS. So some retails.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, we have a lot of Agi. Too much.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
It's still okay. It's better than to have only one. But yes, I'm just wondering, the market was quite lazy in the recent days, especially in the beginning of the day. So I really hope this NVDA earnings and the GDP numbers just give a boost for the overall market to pick a side. So far, it's again small green, not too much to mention. So let's see whether NVDA comeback going to be enough for the market to push it higher. And actually, for me, Apple looks like on the daily as well as a rather long, like with this small consolidation, reversal on the 20 EMA. It's about 230. I'm wondering what Apple is going to do there too. So days I'm going to watch. And Tesla is the other one which got some bad news. So if the overall market going to fail the sentiment here, then I'm going to watch Tesla after 3 big green days. Yesterday it was a weaker one, and today it continues lower because of the bad news. But we are just going to be open in some seconds. So good luck, everyone. Have a beautiful green day. And we have
Very green day. Yeah,
candidates for sure. Yes.
very. Let's hope for very good. Yeah,
Deal. For me, it's
spectacular.
good enough.
Yeah,
I don't know whether you know if NVDA is starting to go up. I'm going to watch AMD, AVGO.
of
There's
course. This is why I want to do the market also. Like it's gonna have probably good influence on the market. So
yeah, you're right. PLTR, Alex is watching PLTR. Definitely, it's on our list. Just started. Good luck, everyone. Okay. Let's see how is it moving today. AFRM is very strong too. Firm holdings.
wow, the candle in Nvidia. People came with a shopping list, huh? Maggie.
Everyone buy the dip. All in.
People came.
Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
guys.
Looks like at least. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Buy 5 million shares, guys. 5 million shares in the
Oh my
first
goodness.
candle. Five.
Look at the
Five.
market. Look at the
Yeah.
market and
Okay, TQQQ. Market.
wow.
Boom. Wow,
Apple,
5
look
million.
at Apple at the same time. Okay, someone selling
Six,
Apple,
guys.
buying
Seven.
NVDA. It seems like. Look at these
Seven.
guys. Oh my
Guys,
goodness, that's funny.
this is something I used to do in the past. Think about it. It's 8 million shares were bought of Nvidia. Multiply
Mm.
8 by almost, let's say, 180. See how many milliards of dollars was put in that stock immediately. Unbelievable.
Amazing.
Wow. Unbelievable.
I think 200 it's like a nothing to do for the NVDA
Wow.
today. Just easy to do. Okay, guys, so this is a strong start from the market. 650 almost on SPY, 648, 676 or 576 on the triple Q. Yet you're starting a bit stronger as well, Alex. It's on my list too. CRWV, it's just a straight green candle, no entry yet.
Wow.
AMD, very strong start as well, around this 170. Okay. Let me just check CRWD. It's pulling back. I have a smaller stock UPST, which I'm going to watch because I like the daily chart, guys. NVDA, it's a little bit like a roller coaster now.
Guys, I'm watching CWD. My game plan over 336, 20 cents half position, over 350 full position. It need to work immediately. If not, no, you're not messing with the stop. So 336, 20 cent half position, over the high, full position. Then I'm raising my stop under 30. So it's going to be for the total 30. Okay?
Okay. Still cannot see anything which I would really like. Wow, and TAP big pullback as well.
Nvidia, I'm watching Nvidia. It's doing a retest in about, okay, Nvidia is going to be 182.40. Okay, 182.40 with almost a dollar stop. Yeah, 182.40. Sorry that I don't have time to write. I'm just watching the tape. 82.40 dollar stop. It's a little bit less, but take a dollar stop. Again, if we're going to get to the high, it's going to be no problem. 182.40. Okay, look for the bids. Don't get just in the ask. Okay, 82.40. I'm not there yet.
I just posted it for you.
Thank you.
I
Okay,
don't have
look at the bid
anything.
because the ask was there, but not the bid. So
Yeah.
I'm still watching it. Still watching it. And wow, market. Oh my god.
Market is unleashed. Market bulls are unleashed again. I'm watching CRWV here too, but it looks like as a continuation pattern rather. Watching BBWI for a reversal, Numantics for a reversal. Spy touch 648 pushed higher, but now it's failing a little bit. Humana CVX weak, but no volume. mRNA weak. Johnson & Johnson weak. Ooh, Johnson & Johnson. Free fall. Took a short in DG. Wow, Todd, really? Let me just check it. It was going higher, no? Oh, no, it was just pulling. Oh, nice. My goodness. Okay, Alex, be careful. PLTR is just moving back again. Lower. Oh, NVDA. Now here comes the profit
Yeah.
taking. Ooh, market is very much on the roller coaster side, guys.
The correction is good, Aggie. It's going to
Pardon?
give us opportunity to.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the correction is good for me.
Still watching AFRM. I just missed UPST, unfortunately. It was not enough for me for the strategy. SOFI, Tara, thank you. SOFI. Ooh, wow. That's a beast today. Yes, NTNX and the BBWI. I'm watching as well for the short side. But BBWI, it's not a big mover. NTNX, I like it under 64.90 with a half share size and adding under the VWAP maybe on the NTNX. Jeremy. Pull back on NVDA. PLTR is pulling back to SPY as well, surprisingly. Okay. Must tell you still nothing. Maybe CRWV, which I like over 103. But only half share size. First of all, the risk reward is quite okay. Second, it's a continuation pattern, not a reversal, which it's okay because it's still the beginning of the day.
Still watching Nvidia. I was waiting to 179 to buy. Got to 79.35. I want to see the dip now. If it's gonna go again to that 179, 30, 40, something like this, I'm gonna buy it. My stop gonna be a little bit under 179. Let's see.
Okay.
2 minutes. Ah, I think I missed the bounce. Let's see if it's gonna go back again to test it. The low 79.35.
In the meantime, I'm in CRWV. Let's see if we can get a $1.50, maybe a little bit more. And I'm just checking this BBWI under 29.67. 29.67 stop loss over the high. The CRWV stop loss under 101. Long NVDA 180.85 Vidic. Yeah, seems like as a nice reversal. I want to wait until this VWAP there. How is it going to react?
Yeah, it's a sweet area, but I don't know if you're gonna get sweet. I need a little bit salt and get it in there. Yeah, there was.
Tesla struggling.
Okay, now it's. I want to see it going again to the low Nvidia, and then bounce again. If it's gonna happen, I will be happy. If not, it's not.
Vidic, that was a nice cup. Yeah, 1 second. That's definitely a scalp. Guys, BBWI, it's just making a better risk reward ratio. Stop loss is going to be over 30 if it's going to enter. CRWV is trying to push a bit higher. Overall market pulled back, but still no decision. However, if the triple Q is going to break 575, I'm going to short the triple Q. Come on, CRWV, one more dollar to get the offer there. And the BBWI has not entered yet. Market started so strong, enthusiasm. That was the sentiment, and now it's just pulling back.
Still
Thank you.
watching CWD. CWD. If it's holding the 3, I want to get half position 322. Stop under the 3. Add over the high. So 322, like 25-cent stop, and then over the high add.
Nice. Great call on Nuantix, Jeremy. Yeah, 180 definitely is going to be a make or break for the NVDA, I think. Yet you're dropping. CRWV traders getting close to my partialing point. Market, just the usual. I'm going to get out 75% of my share size on CRWV. Let's see if we can break the 0.50 here on the 104. There are some sellers there, as I see. Coin is dropping. NVDA is starting to look more and more interesting for me over the VWAP, which is 181.70s.
I want to buy cheaper, Agi. I don't want to buy to the VWAP. I want maybe to add.
Ah,
So
okay.
yeah, it's okay. Depending if it's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's for sure. Okay,
I
guys.
la-
Sorry, CRWV. I wanted to partial.
where did
Never
where
mind.
did where did you get into CLWV?
One over 103.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Over 103. Here we go. One more push. Come on. Cannot be stopped by 104.50. Oh, too many sellers. That's not nice. Eat them. Come on, buyers. Ugh, market is not nice. It's just one big green, one big red. Okay, BBWI has not entered yet. AMD. Checking AMD. Yeah, that's looking good, definitely.
I'm watching also KSS, guys, from yesterday. It's a crazy stock. 1580.
Okay, guys, seems like the CRW doesn't want to push over this 104, so I'm not going to fight with the stock here. I don't like what the market is doing anyway, so I'm ready to take a little partial there. Anyway, your stop loss, it's much better now, like under 103. Here we are, more than $1 in the money. Just taking a small partial there, like a 70% out. And let's see whether it can push higher now. Stop loss is going to be on the entry.
This
Under
is where I want to do KSS over the low 1588. I'm gonna give it 25 cents. Okay,
I like it.
KSS.
I'm going to join Amir. I like this one. Okay. Going to join under 1580. Okay. NVIDIA 4-hour chart is choppy, so small share sizes. Pff, everything is so choppy. Vidic. Oh my God, guys, I forgot my TQQQ. I've
I
told you I
forgot.
want to
Okay.
short at the market if it's breaking the 575, and I missed
Guys,
it.
CWD over 316 half position. Stop under 3. Add over the high. Okay, sorry.
No, no, no. Go ahead. Okay. So CRWV stop loss, I'm just going to move it under 103.50 now. I have not entered BBWI, and I'm going to get KSS under 1580. And the market is getting really crazy here. But I do not want to miss my TQQQ, but just under 91.55. Okay.
Nvidia, I'm waiting around 179. Okay, CWD in and KSS pathetic in. I want to see it immediately. KSS over, I got 88. Over 95, I'm going to reduce half. You need to go immediately. Yesterday I did a lot of trick. Okay, that's good. Okay. CWD. Okay. Okay, KSS, good.
Nice.
I want to see good move. Good move, good move, good move. We have some support around 50, meaning from yesterday. And CWD half position did 1 to 1 around, not enough. Okay, CWD, I like it, but we want to see more. Okay, now CWD, if it's getting to the 92 cents above my entry, I'm reducing half. Yesterday I did a lot of tricks. That stock is loaded with shorts and institutional, so there's a lot of tricks there. So I don't want to play too much. I want to take the money and run.
Market is very hesitant on BBWI. I'm heading for the first partial traders. I'm going to get out 75% of the share size.
Okay, I'm still, I didn't put a stop, so I'm still in, sorry. CWD, I'm half position, so I'm fine. Low my stop to 290, the low of this candle.
Okay, BBWI fighting with the 0.50 here. Watch out, guys. Be ready with the partial. CRWV still going, that's good. Stop loss under 103.70, 103.70. Spicy break bear flagging.
Okay, Nvidia, I'm watching Nvidia. Okay, start to get to the level where I like it. I'm preparing half position to buy. I want to see if we're going to touch the 35 or we're going to go. I want to see the first bounce and going to be half position. Stop going to be under 179. That's what I was waiting, to see if we're going to do double bottom or we're going to break the low. So, okay, we're doing the double. What's the market? What the other guys? Let's see. Still not buying, waiting. Okay, KSS. Boom, shakalak. That was like
nice.
Yeah. Okay. Nvidia, what about CWD? Still okay. I have stop in the system, 290.
Guys, partial
Okay,
on
Nvidia.
TQQQ.
Nvidia 179. I'm preparing half position. I want to see if we're not break. Okay, we broke the 79. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, good. Look at the market. We are good. Nvidia
Partial
is good.
TQQQ. Now?
Nvidia is good. Sorry, KSS is good.
Sorry. BBWI, partial it now, guys. Partial
CW.
TQQQ. Sorry, sorry, Amir.
No, they're here. I
It's
live.
really a good one, guys.
If
Okay.
it's about money, Agi, we can be inside the voice of each other. It's fine. I think okay, Nvidia. Okay, what do I have in Nvidia?
Wow.
Yeah, I want to see the pre-market.
3 winners, I'm done. Bye, guys.
Okay, 55. If we're not breaking, I'm gonna take a partial here, like a 30 something cent, which is fine. I want to see above 56. I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna take a partial. Oh no, we broke the 50. Goom 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 goom. That's good. That's good. Guys, this is second day. This is second day. Sometimes they're even better than the first day. You have the levels. You can refer. Over 52, I'm going to take a partial. CWD still holding. Preparing it for 50. Okay. I don't want to see it breaking above 50. Okay, I'm taking a partial. Partial in KSS.
Me
Stop
too.
over 16. Yeah, good.
Me too, just now. Nice. Okay, guys, I
Yeah.
just took a second partial on CRWV and on TQQQ, 9080 is going to be my second partial, and let's see whether the market
Okay,
is going to find a bottom.
Nvidia 178. I want to start buying it. Half position. Let's see if we're holding 178. That's a very strong level from the pre-market. Above 30, I'm going to buy half position.
Okay.
And let's see. Yeah, bought half position. Stop under 178. Like a 20 cent, something like this, not more than. Okay, good bounce, good bounce, good bounce. We wanted 79, we bought it cheaper. Now let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, I got 178.28. Okay, don't break 78. My stop is like 20 cents under. Okay, KSS, looking good. Okay, I don't want to see it breaking 178. They have position out CWB. That small cap,
Mm.
not a good one.
I'm going to be out BBWI on the entry.
Okay, Nvidia, they have position out. Didn't It's not bouncing yet. I see Apple bouncing. Wow, they do a good trick on Nvidia. Wow, wow, nice.
Okay, guys, TQQQ, it's on the second partialing point. DG is moving back too.
Wow, Nvidia, they have some level. It's very difficult trade, to take, the falling knife, especially with Nvidia. So we need to watch it. We need to see the change of character. We need to watch the tape. Still walking down 177. What did we do on the pre? We have a good support 176. I see.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I like what KSS is doing. Show weakness. It start to got maybe to 1560, which is totally good. Low of KSS from yesterday was 1523, and look at the chart, 15 minutes. If we break 1523, there is a huge gap. So
Mm-hmm.
there's lots of potential there. So this is trade. This is trade with edge. I don't know if we get the edge, but definitely there is edge there. I didn't watch. If you ask something, probably Agi is watching.
I'm
Okay.
watching now everything actually. I'm just wondering what the market next step is going to be. I'm still in TQQQ.
No, if the guys are saying something, I didn't watch it. I
Ah,
was
okay. Tara just wrote she missed Google. Let me just
Tara,
look
you
at
didn't miss
Google.
Tara. We are 25
We have
minutes in
so
the this.
many,
Tara,
and yeah, Google
relax,
is just going higher. Wow.
sit back. You remember, breathe. It's good trades, and yeah. Okay,
Okay.
KSS.
Nice.
Yesterday I fought with it like a scalp it, and it get in and out like it was a really small scalp. But today, I love it. That's a huge potential. The short float in KSS, phenomenal, phenomenal. You have 33, you have almost 100% institutional. In that,
Crazy.
33% short. So a lot of them are in short.
Second
So
partial on TQQQ. Sorry, Amir. Second partial on TQQQ. Okay.
KSS, wow. Okay, so again, 1523, maybe it's going to be another area. We need to see if we break in
Yeah.
that level, sit back, it's going to be free falling, hopefully. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia got 176.85.
Ooh, I like NVDA for a reversal now. Look at its volume. Oh,
I don't know, but
okay.
this level is not
Not
really
yet.
level.
Not yet. Not yet. Yeah.
176, Aggie.
Mm.
176.20, half position
Mhm.
maybe.
Mhm.
Stop under 176. That will be perfect. I'm preparing already. I'm throwing an order. Wow, 176.20.
Nice video. It's okay. All right. I'm out of CRWV traders, still holding KSS, BBWI, but KSS is going to be out over 70. And of course, TQQQ after two partials. And I think the bulls are fighting hard here to maintain a bottom for the market, but so far doesn't seem like it's going to be successful. Let's see. Okay, so far very nice green day, four winners. That's good. I was not expecting that good movers. So imagine Amir who just bought for FOMO or on FOMO NVDA after the first minute and still holding.
No, no, you just can't. You just can't. You have to be smarter,
I know.
Like the stupid money bot. Like I don't know if it definitely it's not stupid. Like the first 1 minute immediately, it was almost 7 million shares. So there is somebody that knew exactly. He did from 180.50 to 183. So that guy
Mm,
did $21 million. Okay. I don't know if he sell at the high, so maybe he did 15 or whatever, but that's how much they earn.
yeah,
Okay, so probably after that, could you see the big levels? Maybe they start short it, yeah. And the some of this probably is the stupid money, that's for sure.
mm,
But yeah, that was amazing job. This is how they prepare. Think about it. They have a good buy power. Yeah,
yeah,
to buy 7 million shares of Nvidia. Yeah, it's a good buying power.
that's for sure.
Aggie, CRWV, if it stayed that level, maybe another candle, it's a good
Mm,
area for reversal.
reversal, yeah, I've seen it just touch the VWAP. Still waiting with that.
Yeah, but we need to clear that level.
Yeah.
It's not really. Your husband came with the car already, Aggie?
No, 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 he's going to start today.
I think he wants a vacation there, Aggie.
Pardon?
He want. I think he wants a vacation there. The kids with you. So it's for him. It's good. It's a good road.
Exactly,
It's a road.
exactly.
Yeah, it's a road trip. He's doing a road trip, Aggie.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I was thinking like just to change, going for the car. Okay, Vidik, no, don't break your rules. It's never good when you start breaking your rules, because if you're
No,
starting to break it and break one, you are going to break all after each other, and then it's
Videk,
usually
you,
a
you
red
did
day.
three trade on Nvidia. That's what you're saying. He did three trade on Nvidia. That's what he's saying.
Yes, three scalps.
Oh, no, 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 no. There's no, I did half
Two?
position,
Ah, okay.
and I'm waiting. I
Mm.
don't know yet.
Snow, I completely missed, Jeremy. It was one of my best candidates, but it was just, I don't know.
Guy, KSS
Okay.
going really nice.
Yeah,
Really nice. Really
beautiful.
nice. Again, there was like 88. I had like 25 cents, and now it's more than 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5. And again, we're getting to 1523. Okay, we are almost there. We need to see if we break that level. Good, good. Maybe can get to 15. If not, we can take another partial there and wait because there is a huge gap there. So the
Mm.
big money is not yet.
Yes. And market maybe it's trying to make a reversal here. I'm going to be out on TQQQ over 91.30. BBWI is out, and KSS I'm still running for the second partial here. Wow, this snow is amazing. Okay, market. What a crazy move. We
Okay,
have not
guys,
seen such
KSS,
moves.
KSS, KSS. We You see how it bounced, got to 1521 and immediately bounce.
Hmm. Have you taken your second partial already, Amir?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm just
no.
going to take it now.
25. I took it 25, because I knew that's the level, and I know that stock is really, it can go from 20 to 50 cents up.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's crazy. Really, I know. I traded yesterday, so it's fine. If it's going to do, I still have a quarter, and
me too.
I have stop at the entry, so I'm going to give it opportunity to correct. And uh, yeah, it was difficult to take the Nvidia. Yeah, it did something and difficult. I didn't get my. I put 76.20, got to 76.40.
Mm.
Uh,
Checking the big stocks, what are they doing? Microsoft, Meta, Amazon. Google was strong. It's really strong. Okay. All right. I check on the children. I will come back in a second, Amir.
no
Just
problem.
sitting in TQQQ and KSS, nothing else at the moment, guys, and we'll be back soon. Thanks.
Okay. 170, 78. I'm watching Nvidia. I don't want to see it breaking 77, 75. And I'm going to buy Nvidia over 178 and stop going to be 50 cents. Okay? Only 50 cents. Yeah. I have to share with you what happened to me. I bought it, but you know what I bought Nvidia? It took me like maybe 5 seconds to understand and immediately do. I bought it by mistake to short. I wanted to put my stop in the system and suddenly I didn't succeed. I immediately understand, got out like in 20 cents and got in like a few cents above. Like, yeah, it was weird. Yeah. Guys, KSS, Uchi Mama, we're getting towards 80 cents in the money. So if we break the 15, we're almost going to get like almost Who is in KSS, guys? If you have the right size, it's a huge trade. Who bought the KSS? Nobody? Question is why. No, 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 Videk, you don't add more if you do, blah, blah, blah. No, no, no. Okay. Nvidia looking good, guys. Well, 60 cent again. The first target's 180, guys. 180 to Nvidia. KSS. Uchi mama. Good. Good. Love it. Now it's like watching a beautiful movie. Put it on 15 minutes, so you're gonna see the day of yesterday and beautiful. Okay, Tesla guys. Looking good. Looking not sorry Tesla, Nvidia. Nvidia. You think okay. Yeah. Nobody took the KSS. Okay. Shame on you. That was a really technical trade, really. Not something fancy, but look how it's going really well. What happened to the market? Market is what happened to Tesla? Look at Tesla, guys. Something happened to Tesla. Shit, it's causing Nvidia. Oh man. Okay, Nvidia. Again, Nvidia 180. My first partial area. 180. We had a really pathetic stop, like 50 cents. So we need to go above 179.10. 180 is the area of the VWAP, so it's going to give us approximately around 1 to 4, 1 to 5, something like this. And okay, KSS, I would be happy to see if it can get to around maybe even 1550 and maybe add there some after two partials. Okay, Nvidia, Nvidia. I'm watching CRWV. I don't. I want to see if we have a good risk reward. 104 and yeah, 104. Stop is 70 cents, guys. CRWV. Okay, CRWV 104. Okay, CRWV.
Okay, I am back. What
Yeah.
happened?
KSS
KSS.
almost 90 cents and Nvidia almost $1. So
Nice.
yeah.
I'm out of TQQQ, but it's okay.
Okay, guys. So the first partial Nvidia 117, 180. Yeah. And KSS is not correcting. See how it's weak. It's not succeed to correct, and now we are in the gap. You can put KSS even. Aggie, can you put KSS in 15 minutes?
Sure. Just a
Yeah,
minute. Here we are. Wow.
yeah.
I
Where is
see.
this? Where is the chart?
It's
On
in
the
the corner here.
this one. Yeah. But can you zoom so we can see yesterday also? Yeah. Oh yeah. Exactly, guys. See, we have a void. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at this. That was I have those numbers. That's what I told you. 1523 was the low of yesterday. We broke it, got to the round numbers. Now we just can need to lower our stop and just let it fall.
Hmm.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. 33% short. That's a short. That's a short. hmm
Very nice.
Okay, I'm not yet in CRWV. I saw that the ask was there, but not the bid. So it got like I think 10 cents. I'm not there yet. Not there yet.
CRWV. I'm just going to put it here.
I wanted to do over 104, but see
Mm,
what was the trick, huh, Agi?
yeah.
It did like few cents and then drop $1.50.
Yeah, I see. I could not see the volume in this, when
Agi,
this touched this
Agi,
VWAP,
do,
it was not high
do,
enough.
do you know that from next year the stock market will be 24/7?
What?
Yeah, they didn't
Really?
call you. They didn't call you, Agi. Yeah.
No, they forgot.
So if you're not, so if you're gonna have a problem to sleep or whatever, you can go to the computer,
My
Agi.
goodness.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, goodness. Yeah,
Like it's real? You're not kidding?
Aggie, I'm kidding. Usually, not on the stock market. Usually, yeah,
Fair enough. Fair enough.
yeah.
Okay.
Guys, look at KSS. $1, 25
Mm,
cents stop. $1, 1 to 4.
understood.
Yeah. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia. We need to see grow in the volume. I don't see it, so I don't like it. Ah, get away from the 179. God damn it. KSS. Now, ah, in my script in my mind, I wanted to see KSS going to 1540. Then I could add more. Um, Now what I'm gonna do, just lowering my stop all the time. I'm not gonna take a partial in these levels. Yeah.
Mm. Market is on the test zone of the VWAP now. Let's see if it's going to go new
Ah,
all-time high.
Nvidia.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I will start looking for more candidates. Like I'm watching and I don't see. Hymns look like a mess. Okta, nothing. Um, yeah, I need to fresh my list.
SOFI maybe? Oh,
Wow,
it's too late. But someone just raised it in the room before,
wow.
and it's the same candlestick reversal.
Snow look like the sun.
Yeah,
Snow. Wow. What a beautiful. Wow.
beautiful, yeah. And I missed it.
Really
And I told
beautiful.
you this is one of my favorite candidates for today.
So why didn't we trade it, Aggie? Why? It's
I
your
don't
fault.
know. Yeah,
It's your fault.
definitely.
It was not my candidate, so it's not my responsibility.
Hi, Sharko.
Okay, let's see.
I have only KSS short now, nothing else, and actually,
Another stock there, wow, what a beautiful PSTG, I think had also earning. Beautiful, beautiful opportunity there was there. Beautiful. Wow, what a chart. Did you see PSTG, Aggie?
see, not yet. Just checking.
See it. View up, and then
Oh, pure
beautiful.
storage.
Yeah.
Yes, this was
So,
another earning stock.
yeah.
Mm.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Tesla is going down.
New low guy
209.
KSS. Let it fall. This is the little brother of Let It Grow.
Mm.
We love those brothers. They're like a family. Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, Tesla is in a free fall. Market making a comeback.
It's not gonna help
Actually,
Nvidia. Yeah, I'm
no,
gonna reduce it under my entry. Yeah, unfortunately,
not
I
really.
have to. It's
Let me
good in
just
the
check.
money, and
Okay, pending home sales, nothing. Alfonso, no, I'm just checking what can move the market, but I think it's just the retail traders today. Wow, and Snow is still pushing higher. I can't believe this stock. It's just breaking 240. Amazing. Cannot see anything which I would like just, this is my
uh,
favorite.
I'm starting to go to fresh. To go to the screener to see if we
Mm-hmm.
can find something.
Go to 2 minutes now. PLT or short? Let's see. PLT or not bad. Not bad, but only under 154.60, I think, Nissan. And might we need the market help for that, but 154.60 would be my entry there. Just checking the weak and the strong stocks in the meantime. mRNA, PLT or J&J definitely weak. Meta, it's in no man's land. It's just dodgy almost. I would not say either if it's strong or weak. It's just nothing. No one is interested in Meta today, as I see. So no sentiment. Sharko. You know what? If you need to ask this question whether a stock is strong or short, that's definitely not our stock for today. CRWD, Alex. Yeah, and this should have gone down, right? And it did not go down. CRWD. Yeah, wow. Big reversal on the 200 EMA. That was my problem in the pre-market, as I just mentioned to you that I have some concerns because of the 200 EMA, and it just made a big reversal from this level, actually.
Every time I'm looking, guys, at the chart KSS, another risk unit in the money.
Yep.
Really, 25 cent stop, and we are almost one to toward 1 to 5.5. Yeah,
Great.
yeah.
Okay. Spicy Perky is still fighting and slowed down for sure.
Yeah, I didn't find any stocks to watch. No, I didn't find.
Neither.
I saw in the solar sector, PSTG, but look at BE also. So a lot
Wow,
of
blue
stock we
energy.
need to go to the solar.
Yeah,
So
you're right.
yeah, run is no run. There's nothing there.
SCV, GENP, HFSLR.
No, sorry, BE is not a solar. Sorry,
No, it's another energy stock.
yeah, it's in the car or whatever. Okay, Nvidia. Nvidia, wow, what a retest. Look at Nvidia. Low
Yeah,
exactly 178.01. Wow, we have a new low, guys. 1450 in KSS.
My goodness.
What is your strategy for the last portion, Aggie? I'm curious in KSS. What are you doing?
I'm just going to lower my stop
Yeah,
loss and that's
that's what
it.
I'm doing.
Nothing else.
Um, Probably I have to tell you guys if we are getting towards 14, I'm gonna take 1.8. Yeah, just
Hmm.
because it's a round number, maybe a bounce, and maybe it's gonna give me opportunity to add. But look at the gap. The gap closed around 1274. So still we have a huge now. If people are there and they cut, they're gonna sell it, because there's not a price action between the gap
Mm.
of the earning. So if people bought after and waited, now the more the stock will go down, they're gonna feel that they are in a nice English fucked up, so they will have to sell. Yeah. So this is why you see beautiful capitulation. I'm watching it in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Look, lower high. Like there's no even energy to correct. That's beautiful, really. If you are in the short, yeah,
Yes.
that's what you want to see.
Okay, and it's still going. I think I'm just going to leave my stop loss over 15. Let's see.
Sarko, meta. Sarko, you know what's the meaning in Hebrew? Meta. What's the every time Agi say meta and I see meta, the meaning of these words in Hebrew is dead. Yeah. So
Yeah, Meta is not doing too much. Amazon is starting to wake up, as I see. Microsoft is not doing too much either, but the overall market, guys, is just completely slowed down. We're trading for an hour, and I think it needs to make a decision now to go back to the lows and lower or back to the high of the day. I'm expecting that from the market. So far, Tesla is weak, so I'm going to keep watching Tesla, definitely NVDA. And not too much more, actually. CRWV, are you still okay with CRWV, Amir? Because it's just hovering around the VWAP.
no, no, I
No?
think it's too much around that level. I don't know
Mm,
what's going on there.
yeah.
Maybe it can be a short, even a short. Well, I don't know. No, I don't like the formation.
No, me neither. It's too much
Yeah, it's too
consultation.
much. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So far, nothing to complain for winners on my side. And not going to push it too hard if I cannot see anything better. UPST is very strong and Reddit is back to the strong ones too.
You like to trade Reddit, no, Agi?
I don't like it too much anymore,
I know,
actually.
I know. I want to tease you. Yeah.
Thank you. I thought, you know what? I thought I will like it, but it was a mistake.
Roblox is strong today, Agi.
Yes,
It
again.
did high, yeah.
Last week of the summer holidays, so
Exactly. Maybe next month we can short it, Agi. It's
yes.
September. All the kids in
Looks
school.
like as a head and shoulders, by the way,
Yeah.
if it goes lower
e-
now.
Exactly when your kids will go to the new school, we're gonna start short
Yeah,
Roblox.
that's for sure.
Exactly.
Yeah, today I got the ladder what they should
Guys,
do
KSS 1450.
first day.
Looking to break it. 1450. That's the key, guys. Look at this chart. If you were
That's
in that trade or you
oh,
left, see the
beautiful.
potential of the last portion. See the potential. Look at this. Copy that screen. 5 minutes, 15, and see. That's really good one. Yeah. That's the dream of really the second day. That's just amazing. Which what I can't say about Nvidia,
No. Yes.
but I'm half position just now. So yeah. Maybe it's gonna hold it here. My stop is under like it says 77.60.
Okay, traders. Seems like the market is still very slow. KSS stop loss, it's still for me over 15. Where is your KSS stop loss, Amir?
I wish KSS will correct a little bit, Aggie. I
Yeah.
wish.
Ah,
Yeah.
you want to add, I guess.
But I want to add a dollar above. I wanted to add, of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't add even one time. There was no opportunity.
I see. And it's maybe it's closing the gap. It's quite close. Not too much more. 1420. Ooh, Tesla. I miss Tesla. Even I've told you it got some bad news today.
No, Nitzan, it's 13. I wish, but still, we have a long, we have another $1.50. I don't know, but still, it's really amazing trade, you know.
I agree. Okay. Okay. I think I'm just going to call it as a day because I need to have one of the trader. Amir, is it okay for you?
Is it okay to what?
I think I'm just going to say goodbye to the guys because one of the trader needs my help with the platform.
No, no, no problem, no
So
problem. Yeah, definitely. I'm
yeah,
here. I'm here.
I think I'm just I'm not going to trade
I'm
anymore.
gonna babysitter them. I'm gonna give them candy and something to drink. They're gonna be fine, I
Good.
think. Yeah, yeah,
Hydration, it's very important. So yeah, drink
yeah, yeah.
water, nothing else,
Exactly.
water.
Water
No
and
beer, no
chocolate. Yeah.
wine, nothing, just water. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I'm going to see you, of course, tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Friday. And thank you, Anne. It was a fantastic day with you and Amir. It was really, really great. And Amir was right. We always going to ask for a big green day, which just
Yeah,
happened.
you see, we got a huge trade
Yeah,
on KSS. Really, huge trade.
fantastic.
Yeah.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Amir, and see you tomorrow,
Yeah, I'm gonna
guys.
be. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have
Bye.
questions, guys, ask the questions. We have time. I'm still watching to see if we have any stocks still in Nvidia yet. Um, Still in KSS. My stop in KSS over 15 right now, few cents above. Um, it's not correct enough. Like if I'm trying to see the ratio, whether I add or not now, it's not enough. Okay, Nvidia. Okay, we got uh, really good bounce in Nvidia. Welcome in. You're out of what? And KSS? And now I have a quarter. It's on quarter. There was a big amount since it was only 25 cents stop. Yeah, and it's did like $1.50, so it's almost 1 to 6. So think about the quarter was one and a half risk units. 13, John, not 16. The gap closed around 12 to 75 even. Okay, Nvidia. A previous high was 79.10. Let's see if we can get there and break it. I'm watching even AMD, but the chart looks just disgusting. Which trade did you take today, John? I'm watching Itzhak. I'm watching CWD. According to my experience, after just watch it on CWD, watch it in 5 minutes. Take the first 5 minutes and draw a line. You could see the lower high, under the view up. But right now, it's just a stock that we wanted to do something, and we lost half position. Now I wouldn't touch it even with one stock. Okay, so we need to release ourselves from that. Nvidia looking good. Somebody still in Nvidia, guys? KSS looks amazing. Again, my I'm gonna take a 1.8. It's gonna be around 14. Yeah, around 14. Gonna be like $1.80, like almost 1 to 7, something like this. What I do is my momentum screeners. I have different one. For example, if I want to see if there is small cap or something, I'm start to raising, for example, the volume and for a lot of millions and the percentage. For example, I want to see more, at least more than 8 to 10%. Beginning, I'm starting with 1 million. At this time, definitely I want to see the momentum if something happen. So I'm watching to see. Oh, THAR. There is a friendly name here. THAR. That's a stock I traded last week. Look at the daily, guys. Of I'm gonna write you the name. THAR. See, it's a really nice momentum, small cap. Definitely, I'm putting it on my chart. Look at this in on 30 minutes. There is so much upside to that stock. You want to see something? I'm going to start buying it, maybe 30%. THAR over 7 with 30-cent stop. Okay? I'm going to buy half position. Only 30 cents. Nvidia, guys, we broke the 79.10. Okay. We have some resistance around 740 and then around 8 in THAR. Nvidia looking good. KSS. This is the first correction, which is good. I want to see opportunity to maybe add more. Okay, THR, the first attempt, half position, got out on the stop. Still gonna watch it. Still gonna watch it. NVDA. I'm not gonna take a partial on 180. You see what the market doing, and I'm watching it looking good. Okay, guys, Nvidia. We're getting to the 180. Somebody's still in Nvidia, guys. We're not taking a partial here. I want to see if we can get to the gap close. 181.50. Yep. Nobody in Nvidia, guys. Good, Alex. Good. Sorry, Alamo. Good. Look at this in 15 minutes, Nvidia. Boom. $2, guys. $2 in the money. Okay, $2. No partial till close gap. 181.50. So 40 something. Another $1.50. I'm waiting. Yeah. Only partial there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this volume coming now. We broke the VWAP. So you see, the trades that didn't work today, they were half size. We cut them. Bye bye. The guys that actually work and did again, Nvidia was 40 cents stop. Now it's 1 to 5. So that's the ratio that you need to. If it doesn't work, out. You're not messing around, playing your energy. You just put it on the trades that just working really well. FSLR. Let me see FSLR. Used to be my first love. You know what's happened with the first love stock? Broke my, didn't break my heart, broke my pocket. Yeah. Nice reversal on the daily, yeah. Yeah. Still watching TAJR. I'm gonna do another half position over 681. My stop gonna be for that 20 cents. Half position. Again, I'm not putting full. Need to go over some resistance and then I'm gonna put full. Okay, KSS. I'm starting to think about it. Let's say 1470. We have 30 cents. Yeah. Okay. Gonna add in a KSS under 1472. My stop gonna be 12 cents. The low of the day is towards 130 something cents, so it's one towards 1 to 3, 1, 2.5, which is fine. Again, stop gonna be 12 cents. Now I'm not gonna add, full size. I have quarter, I'm gonna add another quarter. Not more than that. I don't want to break my balance. Um, Waiting for TAJR. You hit what, John? You hit what? Oh, makes sense. Totally makes sense. You have a good support of the VWAP. It depends on how deep this candle go. Because the low of this candle right now is $1. Okay, so if I'm thinking 180.40 and gap close is $1, so you have ratio 1 to 1, not the best. Not the best, just because of the stop. Okay? Ah, you ask me what I'm thinking. No. Um, if you are with me from 178, yeah, I don't. If the stop was a little bit smaller, I could do it. I can understand. But you see what I'm saying? Look, the low of this candle is 50, 79.50. You have $1, and maybe towards the close of gap, we're gonna get some resistance. So it's barely a little bit more than 1 to 1. Not good. Okay, KSS add not gonna happen. It's still going up, which is totally okay. You understand what I said, Alex? Okay. No question, guys. Everything is there. You want to ask me about trades that you did? Again, I'm going to be here another like 20 minutes. So I'm looking for trades, but still, question has much more value, I think. Now, Alex, for example, we started another 5 minute candle in Nvidia. Now, if we're not going to break the 180.40, and the low of this one is around 90 something, that could be a trigger. 180.40 with like 60 cents. So we have till the close gap, maybe, around 1 to 2, which is totally good. We can scalp it, and yeah, so we need to finish this 5 minutes and see that we're not breaking. That could be a good area. Mm. I see the hammer. Mm. This is not something I like, and if I do, what I can do in this situation, because if it's on the view up, everything can happen. View up is like a place people come to long, to short, I don't know. I could buy in my system, half position, and then for example, like what was the high there? It was 79.50, and then above 80.40 will add more. You understand what I'm saying? And then I'm raising my stop under 179.50, like under my first entry. That could be something I could do. You have a tough time on direction trust. I see moving averages and volume, hard time seeing the candle pattern. Do you rely on candle pattern or other aspects more? And good question. The way Alex. Okay, guys, you start to blooming. Good question. The way I looked the first time it broke view up, it had increased volume. Plus, yeah, but when you have the sorry, John, I'm gonna answer you in a second, Alex. But when you took that candle under, you never know what's gonna happen. That's an area like. Uh, there's a lot of potential for Nvidia. Like I'm watching also the nine. The nine didn't even cut the view up. So if I'm going to see it cutting, and then we're going to have a good stop. The Nvidia, it's 12 or 5. I don't remember what was the ATR of Nvidia. Yeah, it's 480. Okay, but today the relevant volume is high, so the stock can do amazing. Um, John, uh, the way I can answer you is pretty straightforward. I'm watching the average, but I usually watch the nine and the view up and the candle formation. But I like the momentum. So, for example, only stock I'm gonna trade gonna get need to have a good R volume, relative volume. So it has to be above three at least, even higher. If not, there's nothing interested. I'm not gonna do something. I'm a momentum trader. Okay, so that's a key for me. So take this, the R volume, the momentum, what the sector of the stock doing, and definitely need to be clear for me. If it's not clear, it's dark or it's black or white. If you don't clear or you don't understand direction, probably you should not trade it because I knew, for example, let's talk about Nvidia. I was new. Like this is a momentum. A lot of happened today. Like the potential. Like this is why this is the second try. I knew I have to follow it, and the numbers were very clear. I know exactly what's going to happen. I know the numbers like above 80.40, and I know what's going to happen about 81.50 when it close. If volume will come, so I we spoke about this like a week ago, something about imagine. You have to imagine the trade. So I'm imagining I know. Um, THAR, I'm still holding the 9 EMA. Like THAR definitely can have a good potential even today. I like what's going. It's like resting, but then the beast can actually go. Um, uh, hope it helps. Helps, John? Yeah, Nvidia is building that 180/40. Like, I think the entire world is watching it. Still, I'm not gonna add because the stop is still too big for the ad. I think, but definitely it looks amazing. Look how clear it is. You have the big boom bar, the one that Alex got like that started low but broke the 179, got above the view up. You have now three candles on the view up like support. You just don't need nothing more than that except maybe smaller stop, but looks amazing. After saying that, next bar we're going to break it and we short it from here. Now I want to see change in KSS. I can add under 15. Stop gonna be 15 cents. My stop right now is around 15.30. I don't have problem for the last quarter, to give space. Um, okay, trying to go over the. What kind of screener do you have, guys, and what are you looking at in those screener? Here my question, guys. You have screeners, chart watcher, trading view. Yeah, but what are you putting there? What are your character, guys, in your screener? Probably you have few. No, I have few. And what are you looking? What are you putting there in order to find the right stocks? Volume spike. No, no, gap and go. It's too. Yeah, you have to be more specific. What is volume spikes? What is volume spikes? So I have our volume, but what? How do you define it? Volume spikes. And gap and go. What is the gap? What kind of gap? 1%, 2%, 3%, 10%. Um, First, do some screen. Everybody can use, definitely because I'm not here every time. Send it to my email. Next time I'm going to be here, or I can just email you. If you have any question, you definitely can email me. What I'm saying is you have to be specific. Like, for example, if I have a screener for momentum, I want to see at least big R volume. I want to see gap and go. It's too wide. This is nothing. Gap and go. You have to define like, okay, volume. You want to see at least, let's say, 1 million. What type of stocks you want to stock? Like I have a screener for small cap, so I want to see stock, let's say, above 1 to 10, and I want to see. You understand what I'm saying? We need to be very specific. Everything need to be because not you're gonna get all kind of crap. Gap and go 2%. 2% is too much. Is too. You need more. Okay. Abnormal volume within the last. How do you define, Alex, the abnormal volume? How do you define it? So, guys, if you have any questions, so you have my email here. I'm still in Tesla, looking great. We can find Tesla today over. We have the high of yesterday, 183. Definitely, we can get there. I know. Yeah, definitely. We just have day. KSS under 15. I'm gonna add 15 cent. My stop is above the view up, and I think that's for me. Good day. Good day. 3.5x more than normal. Okay. No, no, definitely you can do our volume in the pre-market. Let's say if it's at least 10, 20% in the pre-market, that's the way I'm using the stocks for the opening, because uh, I'm trading stocks like KSS or Nvidia. I knew the levels from the pre-market with the right volume, which you actually can get. And so, guys, thank you. I think it was a good day. The winner were pretty good. The winner take it all. The loser standing small. I think Ben wrote a song about it. No, so thank you very much. I'm going to see you. Don't forget Monday we have off day, Labor Day, so Tuesday. And again, if you want, my mail is there. You can email me. Question, mentoring, whatever. Okay, guys. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, John. All the guys that did the interaction here was pretty good. Pretty good day. Ciao.